Alright, so this is the EsenseTemperature. This is the thermistor that gets taped to the finger. This is an audio jack that you can connect a speaker to or headphones so that you can use the audio feedback. And then this is the plug that plugs into the input for your smartphone or tablet. In this case, I am using the iPad mini. Just got that on the stand here. So this is the iPad mini, and I'm going to just look for the app. So this is an app that is downloaded. This is the EsenseTemp app. Open that up. And here we have the app. This is the start button here. You can see I click start there. And so in this part of the screen, you've got numbers. So you can see you've got the time there. You have the minimum temperature, the difference between minimum and maximum, current value, maximum, and your average temperature. Below that you have the stop button. To the left of that you see you've got an arrow that's either pointing down or up. So that's telling you the direction of the temperature. So if the temperature is going down, then you get that red arrow that's pointing down. Temperature changes direction, is going up, you get the green arrow going up. Now we'll go to the next part of this screen here. So this is your animation, and I'll just keep the arrow there in the picture so you can see when the red arrow is pointing down, this picture is not moving. Now I'm going to touch the temperature sensor and cause the temperature to start going up. So you see now the green arrow here is pointing up and the animation is moving. That's a default animation that comes with the app, but you can actually put your own animation in there if you prefer that. Now I let go of the sensor and you can see the picture stopped and the red arrow is pointing down. Now I'm going to go to the bottom of the app. This is just below the picture, and here we've got a line graph for the temperature, and it's got sort of 3 zones there. You can see separated by lines which are adjustable. Let me see if I can move these lines. Alright, so now I'm not holding the temperature sensor now, and you can see the temperature is dropping. Now I'm going to grab the sensor, and you can see already the temperature is going up. And it auto scales, so it resets the Y scale so it doesn't go off scale. Now I'm going to go to the other side of this, and you see you also have a bar graph there. You can use the bar graph or the line graph, or both, of course. So you can see the changes either on the bar graph or on the line graph. Now I'll just zoom out a little bit so you can see everything at the same time. And you can see the changes as they're happening. You got your statistics. Now I'm going to click on the stop button, and you see there, that's where I was talking about. You have your default video or a custom video. That would be one that you load in. And if we go over here, we can see our stats, and you see that button on the lower right that says submit values. If I click on that, it opens up an email, and it's got a file which would be sent from my iPad, and it will be sent by email. It's got it's an EsenseTemperature. It's got the date and time. You can email that to whoever you want. This could be if you're a practitioner and you have clients that are using this for home practice, they can email this to you. Or if you are a client and you want to email this practice to your therapist, you can just email it and they can see how you're doing with your home practice. Or if you're the therapist, you can see how your clients are doing with home practice. You can see this is a comma separated file, so you can open that with like Excel and things like that, and you can see what the stats were. So that is a quick demo of the EsenseTemperature. If you want to check one of them out, you can give us a call at the office, 877-669-6463 or 914-762-4646, or you can visit our website, biofeedbackinternational.com or mindbodydevices.com for home products like this. And you can look for the EsenseTemperature device, and we'd be happy to send one to you. They are $99 and they work with Android or Apple devices.